How is AI integrated into different industries and what are the results of this integration?
Well, first of all, AI is not really a new thing. It has been around for many decades. Now we are talking more about AI with the advent of these large language models. Well, if I have to answer this question, maybe we can relate to the advancement of internet at the late 90s and the beginning of 2000s, when internet became a horizontal technology, meaning that nowadays internet is omnipresent in every single industry, every single sector. And I firmly believe AI, we are at the very beginning of the AI revolution, but AI will be equally impactful as the internet itself.
Which jobs are most threatened by the advancement of AI technology?
I wouldn't say lousy jobs, but jobs that do not require a significant human intelligence and maybe human creativity. So if we can maybe put one example being software development industry, right? So if you are a student and recently graduated for 5 years, you've been studying and now you're doing coding, not the actual development, but rather basic coding where for one input you have to produce a certain output, then this is a perfect task for AI, and in coming years these jobs will not be, like disappeared in total, but the level of productivity will need to be much higher, so these jobs will actually be even less paid, or we will require less and less workers for that.
What are the most significant advantages and disadvantages of using AI in the workplace?
Yeah, so I would say that AI has a great potential to increase the productivity at work, provided that you do the prompt engineering, that you are able to form the right prompt for an AI model, and that AI model is correct, whatever that means. The big disadvantage I see in a workplace is that on average, I think people will use the output of an AI model as a ground truth. They will not critically think about the output, and I think this is a big obstacle for using the AI nowadays.
How does AI affect productivity and work quality in different sectors?
Yeah, as mentioned, so when you think about what is happening right now and what happened for couple of decades, we have Google, we had Yahoo, we have different internet search engines, and you needed to be really precise on what you need, when you search some terms. Now, when we are talking about large language models such as, for instance, ChatGPT, you can use your natural language, you can kind of be more relaxed on what you need, and hopefully AI model will catch that and be able to provide you hopefully a good answer. So in that sense, there is a huge potential to be more productive at the workplace.
How can workers prepare for the future workplace dominated by AI?
So I think we should not get too complacent with this AI technology that we have now and what we will have in the future, because people maybe assume that our lives will be much easier thanks to the AI model. But the thing is, yes, thanks to the AI, we will be able to be much more productive, but that just means that the bars will be much higher, so we will have to do much more. So for instance, again, maybe one example, when you develop a software, for some software that you require 4 persons, development of 1 year, maybe in few years you will only require 1.5 persons, so to do the same level of job. So meaning that people should not get complacent, and as mentioned, the output of AI model, if we just take it as a ground truth, we will have a big problems. When you have the output of an AI model, you should critically evaluate the output. That will be the key skill behind using the AI in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.